matitindi dumipensya.
Oh, ito si McLaren,
Ayan pa.
mawalan pa. Benji Perez, forward pass dito kay John Best. John Best with a getaway. At yun yung pinakamadaling basket so far na nakita natin sa gabing ito.
Actually, that's the first fast break point
Yes.
that we've seen because both of these teams are playing excellent transition defense. Whoa!
Whoa, McLaren with a curl. And J.S. Jackson belling up on Team McLaren. Pangalawa na yan ni Chris Jackson at pangalawa team foul ng Formula Shell. At ito, unang kumurap ang Mobile Line Foam Pass. Sila ang unang tatawag ng timeout. Mababalik po kami ni Coach Yek.
You're watching Red Hot Hardcourt Action, brought to you by the new KB82 from Adidas.
Milo presents the PBA